Hi children, good morning. How are you? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Yes, and our revision also is started. Yes, you are doing revision children. Yes, you are very good children, you will do. Yeah. And fourth lesson children, social, fourth class children, social. Yes, multiple choice questions. What are smaller rivers which join the main river called? Yes, the answer tributaries. What are smaller rivers which join the main river called? It is tributaries. Yes. Four options are given there. You have to write the correct answer. Yes. And the second one, which part of a river falls in low areas? In low areas. It is mouth. Yes. Which part of a river falls in low areas? It is mouth. The four options are given there, children. The correct answer you have to write. Yes. Fill in the blanks, children. The place where a river begins its journey is called its source. It's called its source. Yes. Where the place where a river begins its journey is called its source. Yes. And the fourth one, children, soil brought down from mountains by rivers is called stilt. Is called stilt. Yes, soil brought down from mountains. The soil brought down from the mountains by rivers. By rivers is called stilt. The soil, yes. And very short answer questions, children. Where does a river slow down during its journey? In middle areas. In middle areas. Yes. Say, name the streams that are formed when a main river breaks up. Main river breaks up. It is distributaries. It is distributaries. Yes. And the short answer question, children. Define delta. How is it formed? A delta is usually a triangular piece of land. It is a triangular piece of land. A delta is a land made of sedimentary deposits left by a river flowing into a large water body. What it is? A delta is a land made of sedimentary deposits left by a river flowing into a large water body. Yes, and the next one, children. It is eighth one. Circle the correct word. Yes, rivers provide a natural way to travel by cars or boats. It is boats. You have to circle the answer. Boats. Yes. And ninth one, dash help to hold water and generate electricity. What? Houses or dams? It is dams. It is dams. You have to circle. In the high areas, the river is usually slow or fast. It is fast. It is fast. You have to circle. And the 11th one, dash is a recreational activity done in rivers. It is farming or swimming. It is swimming. It is swimming. You have to circle the answer. Yes? Okay. Short answer questions, children. Mention two ways in which rivers are helpful to people. How does pollution of rivers affect these activities? Yes, rivers, answer children, rivers are helpful to people as they provide water for agriculture. For agriculture. They are also a source of food. Yes, pollution harms fishes in river and also crops. Yes, rivers are helpful to people as they provide water for agriculture. Water for agriculture, yes. And they are also a source of food. Yes, pollution harms the fishes in the river and also the crops. Yes, okay. And the next one, children, the 13th one. Yes, ancient civilization like the Harappan civilization started near rivers. Explain why rivers were important for the growth of such civilizations. Yes, rivers provide water for drinking, agriculture and for other household works. Many plants and trees grew near the rivers. Therefore, many ancient civilizations started near rivers. Yes, the rivers near the rivers. This is what the river showing here. Yes, and it is the area here, the land which is here. It will be very good. The land will be very good to grow the crops because the water is there. Yes, and the rivers provided water for drinking. Rivers provide water for drinking, agriculture and for other household works. Yes, many plants and trees grew near the rivers. Therefore, many ancient civilizations started near rivers. Here, many plants and trees grew. Yes. Okay. And the next one is long answer question, children. Yes. Guess the activities shown in the given picture. Identify the purpose for which rivers are used in this pictures. Okay. It is parasailing. It is recreational activity. This is irrigation, agriculture. See the picture and you have to write, children. Okay. And next one, floating market, transportation, fishing, source of food. Yes, and the next one, children, multiple choice question. 15th one, which of the following is not a reason for river pollution? Is not a reason. Means it is the dolphin playing in the river. It is the dolphin playing in the river. It is D, option D. For which of the following activities do we not use rivers? For what? Yes, it is tricking. It is tricking. It is answer is D. Option D. Yes. And the short answer questions, children. One of the largest lakes in Bangalore, the Bilandur Lake, has spelled talks forth many times since 2015. In 2017, many industries around the lake were shut down. Why do you think that happened? Yes. The industries dumped their waste directly into the lake water. Why it was means the near the lake, the industries which are there, they dumped the waste into the lake. Yes, and due to this the water is polluted. Due to this the water is polluted. Yes, to decrease pollution, the industries around the lake were shut down. To decrease this pollution, the water pollution, is all were closed. The 18th one, children, look at the word splash below using terms from the word splash showing the journey of a river. Yes, they have given here. You have to write that. It is high areas, middle areas or low areas. Yes, source. Here, first one is, here tributary is given here. It comes under the middle areas. It comes under the middle areas. Yes, the mouth, it is in the low areas. River bank is middle areas. The delta, the low areas. Source, it is high areas. Distributary, it is middle areas. Yes, and next one, children, the next one is 19th one. Mention two reasons why we need to look after rivers. Describe two ways in which you can help to look after rivers. Yes, we should look after the rivers as the silt brought by rivers is good for farming. It is good for farming. Rivers also provide us drinking water. Yes, without the water we cannot live. We can help to look after the rivers by not throwing the waste such as plastic into them. Yes, and immersing idols and not polluting the river water. Yes, What it is, children? We should look after the rivers, as the stilt brought by rivers is very good for farming. Yes, rivers also provide us for drinking water. Without water we cannot live. Yes, we can help to look after the rivers by not throwing the waste such as plastic into them, immersing idols, and not polluting the river water. Yes, on your own you can write this, children. On your own you can write. Yes. The 20th one, find out the river that is closest to your home and it list its length and the state that is passing through. Mention if any dams are built on it. Yes. Okay, on your own you have to write, children. Already have given the homework for you people to write this. Yes. Okay, and the short answer questions, children. All the short answer questions you have to write in the homework from workbook. Short answer questions, and you have to practice all the question answers, whatever it is, multiple choice question, fill in the blanks, everything, every bit should be there in the homework. It should be there in the homework, not only simply writing, just to copy the question, close your book and write like ST. Write like ST and ask your brother or sister, anyone is there, means you tell them to correct your book. Otherwise, just if no one is there, you can do on your own. Just close your book, write the answer, then open the book and see that you have written the answer correct or no, or the spellings. Okay, and do your revision properly, children. Okay, children.